Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can fix your login error on the Fashion Nova app. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, open up the settings menu on your phone. Once the settings menu is open on your device, scroll down and find the apps option and click on it. After you click on the apps option, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, click on the Manage Apps option. Once you click on the Manage Apps option, a search bar will appear on your screen. On that search bar, type in FASHION-NOVA and hit enter. Now once the Fashion Nova app appears on your screen, click on it. Once you click on the Fashion Nova app, you'll be guided to another page. On this page, on the bottom of your screen, you'll see three options: force stop, uninstall and clear data. Click on the clear data option and then click on the clear cache option and then confirm it. This method will clear all the excessive and extra data which you don't need from the Fashion Nova app. If this method didn't work for you, you should uninstall the app and install it again. I hope this video helped you to fix your login error on the Fashion Nova app. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.